Hey guys, I promised in my previous video that I would do the Mavic 2 kit unboxing, so here it is. Also, you gave me some feedback. I was reading some of your comments about how my video was too long. I know it was long, it was 29 minutes long. I wanted to share a lot of information with you, but I'll try to do shorter videos and I'll try to do more of them instead of one long one. So here's the box. Here's the box. I ordered it from GearBest because I like their prices. You know, it's cheaper than buying in the local store, and I'm going to provide the links for you in the description of the video. Behold, Mavic 2 Fly More Kit. So it has extra propellers, it has this bag, 2 more batteries, it has a charger, like a car charger, it has a hub for charging more batteries at the same time. It has this small thing that you can actually plug into the battery, and it has 2 USB connectors. I'm going to show you in a little bit. And you can charge your phone with it. For example, charging a smartphone only takes 20% of the battery. Yes, because the capacity of the battery is much higher than a regular capacity that's in smartphones, for example. As you can see, the package arrived again in a perfect condition. It's not squished or anything. So let's open it. They have always really nice boxes. DJI always has really nice boxes, and it was kind of like Apple, you know. So here it is. Here's the bag, and everything important is in the bag. Down here is, I guess, a manual. If you needed a manual for a bag and for some accessories, I guess no. Fly More Kit. At the first glance, it looks like very high quality. It's a really nice finish. It says Mavic 2 right here. It's a little bit different than the first box. I would maybe say slightly, just a little bit larger than the first one. But that's just my expression. I already sold my first Mavic 1, so I don't have it. Maybe some of you can write in the comments whether you think it's a little larger than the first one. So here are the propellers. So I guess 4 more propellers. Keeps on closing on me. Here it is. And everything else will be inside of here. So, I have no idea what's inside. Like you, I haven't really found a video that clearly shows this on YouTube because everybody is just trying to make it really quick and they don't show where it really is. So, inside is the car charger. And right here is a, well, it doesn't say, it just says Mavic 2 Part 1 Fly More Kit. So, I'm guessing yes, this is the adapter that you can connect to your battery. And as I said, you can charge a smartphone with it, or you can charge the RC controller. So you just plug it in this way right here and you can charge it. You can charge your smartphone up to 5 times, so you can charge 5 smartphones with 1 battery, right? And charge your controller. The controller has a slightly larger capacity than a smartphone's battery. So here is the one battery. Here is another one right here. They are in hibernation mode, so when you press them, they don't light up. They will light up once you charge them for the first time. And look at it, it has like a really nice, it has a nice system of compartments, not unlike the first one. That you can store the batteries down here, and it will like stay in place like this. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. So one battery, second battery right here. This is the adapter. This right here is a strap for the bag, and right here I'm guessing will be the hub for charging more batteries at the same time, and I'm correct. There's a DJI logo on the side. And it's like folded. You can unfold it this way, and you plug the car charger or the regular wall charger into the connector right here. Then you set it on a table or something. You open it and you plug your batteries into it. Let's see if everything fits inside of this bag. So down here are the two batteries, 1 and 2. You push it down like this, and here you put the drone. Beware of the propellers, the front propellers. So you put them inside actually, right? This is it. The controller right here. And here you can put anything else like the chargers and other stuff, right? This bag has literally everything that comes with the drone and with the Fly More kit inside, and it even has this pocket is empty. This one for SD cards maybe, or for something small. This one is empty. This is the car charger. Right here I put the wall cable. Right here are extra propellers for them. And in the main compartment is the drone itself. Right here. The controller. Hub. Charger for the wall. Of course you don't have to bring everything with you each time. And one battery, second battery, and the adapter for charging your phone or your RC controller on the way. So that's it, guys. Everything is prepared for the first charge here. So here we go. This is the remote controller, and the hub starts blinking. And the battery number 1, the one that came with the drone, start charging. Most of you probably know that the hub charges one battery at a time, and it determines the battery with the highest amount of charge and charges it first, so you can go flying as soon as possible. The other ones will charge in the order of the percentage charge they have. This is actually much better than if it was charging all 3 batteries at the same time, because they would be it would take much longer for them to charge. In this way, if you have 0%, it takes less than an hour and a half. If you have some percentage left, it might take like an hour or something. So this will charge, and then one of those two will start charging right after this one is finished charging. I've seen somebody on YouTube saying that they actually didn't buy the Fly More combo kit as it cost $319, and they bought 2 separate batteries, each costing $119, which is total $240. And I mean, they saved $80, and they didn't get the charging hub, didn't get the bag, didn't get the car charger, extra propellers, and everything else that comes with it, right? Especially the bag is very handy. So I think it's I think a much better way is to get the whole Flymore kit. Also, you've been asking me, because in my previous video I had this monitor, so you've been asking me which monitor I'm using. As you can see, it's a curved monitor. It's by the brand TCL. It's from GearBest. It's for $140. So in case you want it, I'm going to post a link in the video description, as well with the link for the Mavic 2 kit, Mavic 2 Flymore combo kit, and so you can buy it from GearBest. I'm going to post a link to GearBest, the coupon, and the link to DJI.com. Just remember, if you buy from GearBest, if you use the coupon, the price will lower to the lower price. So if you just click on it, the price will show in the full price, and if you use the coupon, it will lower itself to the $319 at the moment. Of course, it depends on when you're watching this video, as I'm filming it on the 5th of January 2019. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't so long as the last one. And if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't seen my previous video, I was unboxing the Mavic 2 Pro. I was talking about Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom, about their prices and how to get them for the best possible price. So check it out, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.